By age 40 you should be smart enough to realize these 11 points. 1. Stay silent. Not everything needs to be said. 2. Silence is better than unnecessary drama. 3. If you find someone smarter than you, work with them, don't compete. Competition is a weakness. 4. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. 5. Your current job doesn't care about you. They only pay you enough to kill your dreams. 6. Free yourself from society's advice, most of them have no idea of what they're doing. 7. It's better to have one friend who's happy for you, supports your win, encourage your dreams, than a bunch of acquaintances who are lazy, self-centered and jealous of your success. 8. You'll be 10 times happier if you forgive your parents and stop blaming them. 9. No one will ever come save you. Your life is 100% your responsibility. 10. Your inner circle should be more focused on money, success, and starting a family. 11. You don't need 100 self-help books. All you need is actions and self-discipline. Believe in your heart and soul that you are capable of big things in your life. The only thing that is standing in your way is yourself.